What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I wanted to show you how to turn off your Pixel 6a or your Pixel 6 or Pixel 6 Pro, whatever it may be. But I wanted to show you how to do it on the Pixel 6a because I know a lot of people picking up this device, and there's a few ways to do it, but usually you will hit the power button here, hold it down, and the power off button menu would come up like a regular smartphone. But a lot of these phones now, they have either Google Assistant, Bixby, Siri, something else that will activate instead of just having the good old-fashioned power button. So as you can see, you get the voice command for Google Assistant, and you can hit that microphone like this, power off, and your power off menu will come up. But that's kind of a pain. You kind of just want to be able to power it off. Now, the one way you could do it is go down here, hit that button there. You're gonna see, let me show you once again. You see that button right there in the middle, and then you hit power off, restart, lockdown, emergency, whatever you want to do. That's one way to do it. The other way you can do it is you can simply hold the power button and the volume up button, and boom, you can power it off. But the most conventional way is you want to go into settings, go down to system, gestures, all the way at the bottom. You see that press and hold power button, and then you can turn off that assistant button there. When you turn that off, you go back out. Now when you hit the power button, you can turn your phone off. So as you can see, that's a very simple way of doing it. That's the way I leave it, because you hit the power button, you turn it off. Google Assistant, you could just go here and turn it right on from the search bar. So if you're wondering how to turn off your smartphone or how to turn off your Pixel 6a, I just showed you those quick, easy steps. Remember, power button and volume up. Go down on the menu if you want, that button right there, or the traditional hold the button. But if that's not set, when the Google Assistant comes up, power off. You can do it that way too. That's gonna do it, man. I'm Android Stud. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell for more videos like this. Hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And you're welcome, because I know a lot of people love these videos that I do on how to turn off their phone, whether it's a Google Pixel, Samsung, even the tablet. It's a lifesaver. That's gonna do it, man. I'm out of here.